I did want to mention the cuckoo bird itself. It is a wooden bird. Even though it doesn't have articulated wings, it does have a metal base, and the tongue comes out. The only problem I have with these metal bases, a lot of times these screws get stripped out from the metal base, and these screws, if they do get stripped out, then you would have to retap that, find a screw that works. And the problem with the different manufacturers and the different cuckoo birds is the newer bird screws do not fit into the older bird housings. But this is on the Henry Collar regular movement. Again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless.